बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसा है स्पोर्ट्स आर एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ हेल्दी लाइफ। 250 वर्ड पे मुश्तमिल है हमारा ऐसे। 250 वर्ड का है तकरीबन। स्पोर्ट्स हैव ऑलवेज बीन एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल। लाजमी हिस्सा है हमारी ज़िंदगी का। इंगेजिंग इन फिज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ नॉट ओनली हेल्प्स अस stay physically fit but also improve our mental health. By participating in sports, we can maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining physical fitness. Playing sports or engaging in other forms of physical activity can help us build strength, increases flexibility and improve our health. It can also help us maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart diseases and high blood pressure. Sports play a significant role in improving mental health. Exercise reduce stress and anxiety. Participating in team sports can also help build social connections and improve communication and teamwork skills, all of which are important for mental well-being. Furthermore, sports teach us valuable life skills such as discipline, perseverance, इसका मतलब इस्तेकामत है, leadership and time management. Athletes have to work hard and dedicated themselves to their training to achieve their goals. This dedication and hard work can help in other areas of life in the future. Sports also increases self-esteem and confidence. Through outdoor sports and activities such as hiking, camping and mountain biking, one can connect with nature. Connecting with nature can have a positive impact on mental and physical health and reduce stress. In conclusion, sports are an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. They provide numerous physical and mental health benefits and teach valuable life skills. By engaging in physical activities regularly, we can improve our physical and mental health, build self-esteem and confidence and lead more enjoyable life. ये था हमारा ऐसे। उम्मीद है पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.